I close my eyes and long for the nights when I cannot help but bow to the crowd before the applause had fallen. And now the stage is a pile of scraps and dust. But what had it meant? Leave the dirt to the wind. It will fly only so far.
It's over, the blowing wind's motion for I should have shown devotion more. She's lying on the ocean floor, slavery's bones. She's dressed in black and navy tones. Her bravery shows, she's in the arms of Davy Jones. Advance the job, we all have the chance to rob. The devil Jonah and his music do the dance macabre. Crack, dull, the black skull and leather jacket. Diploma of violence and a moment of silence. I saw the omen, skin deep, chimney sweeper. The keys of the innkeeper, the blade of the grim reaper. We had the bereaved, dark clouds hovered near. The flag flies at half-mast covered mirrors. The herd exposes crying eyes, dirt and roses. Lights come down one last time, the curtain closes. She asked a question, pirates took her in reply. Killed her with their hands but couldn't look her in the eye. Land of the lost, I wander around. Right now the dying outnumber the drowned. Blinding the image, the thunder, the sound. Bury the music under the ground. Land of the lost, I wander around. Right now the dying outnumber the drowned. Blinding the image, the thunder, the sound. Bury the music under the ground.
Do not ask meaningless questions. People must die, but the blood does not come as fast as the tears. I feel no pain, no joy. I have no feeling. I think I'm dying. The rain will fall, and we will be dissolved.
I should've used chloroform before the storm. Kidnapped her and slapped her, then strapped her to the newborn. And after that just moved on. She crashed on my futon. Took what she could and then cashed in every coupon. Found her on the lawn with the uncut grass. I got a couple jungle-hungry bloodlust cats circling the spot where she collapsed, with lungs out of place, a tongue out her face. She just got a taste of the poisonous gas. Everyone would say, enjoy it while it lasts. Destroyed her so fast that she's unrecognizable. Boys from the past turned unreliable. Body unidentifiable and rifled through her pockets. No more dollar signs in those empty eye sockets. Left a couple coins on her lids to keep them closed. Annoying little kids watch the body decompose.
Land of the lost, I wander around. Right now the dying outnumber the drowned. Blinding the image, the thunder, the sound. Bury the music under the ground. Land of the lost, I wander around. Right now the dying outnumber the drowned. Blinding the image, the thunder, the sound. Bury the music under the ground.
Empty
Middle of the afternoon, deep in disgust. Loser in an eagle, sure to sleep on the bus. His mouth wide open, lonely and selfish. Elvis impersonator looks nothing like Elvis. Hooker in a mink coat, died on a Friday. Crappy UFO on the side of the highway. Elderly lady in the heat with a drastic sag. On the doorstep, a dead bird in a plastic bag. Terrified fuddy-duddy, part German, part French. Mexican kids making out on a park bench. The unsexy stripe poses and top the same. Crazy man preaches doomsday on the walk of fame. Man with a prosthetic leg plays Sandy Claus. Beautiful carnival worker sells candy floss. Wannabe rock stars, girly expressions. Man push, cart wet, worldly possessions. Cool kids can't die, lovers and taboos. Girls in bikinis, covered in tattoos. Boarded up businesses, rap nerds and non-thugs. It's gonna get worse, white people are on drugs. Cool kids can't die, lovers and taboos. Girls in bikinis, covered in tattoos. Boarded up businesses, rap nerds and non-thugs. It's gonna get worse, white people are on drugs.
It was hip to be cool, to be popular, to be teenage and going steady.
You just feel like rugged and I don't know, you feel cool. I mean,
however, we will continue with the sun.
Just a moment.
What were